In this video, you will see how to show paragraph marks in Word document. As you can see, here there are some blue icons appearing, and these blue icons are called as pilcrow icons, used for showing the formatting. For example, this is enter and here is the page break. So if you also want to see the formatting of your document, you need to turn on this paragraph marks, and to turn on the paragraph marks, under the home tab, here you will see this option of pilcrow icon. This option is used to show and hide formatting marks. Just click on this option and you will be able to see the paragraph marks. Once you are done with the formatting, you can click back on it again to hide the paragraph marks in Word document. This method works on Windows and Mac versions of Microsoft Word. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to Microsoft Word. See you again in the next one.